He has killed him. Not eaten though. But he is dead. Look at all of it. I have a shovel and broom that was legit like 2 seconds ago just finished cleaning his kitty litter. And so bird dead, heaps fur everywhere, some paper, some cords, some sandals, and a pogo stick. Okay, and a pogo stick. Welcome. Oh, looks like he's looking at me. Okay, I just need to find out a setup so I can. That's great. Okay, it's gonna be a bit black. Okay, so you got this on. There's heaps of fur everywhere. Just gotta dodge the fur. Okay, out of fur range. Just walkie with Birdie, and hope he doesn't come back alive. Okay, so I am going to chuck him right in these bushes. 3, 2, 1. There he is. See him? Yeah. Okay. Now, go back. Our new cat has killed 1 bird, 0 mice. Pretty good, to be honest. Pretty fun watching him kill them. And there is some fur here. Just to, yep. Okay, thanks. And, yeah. The new cat's name is Lucky. Bye.